Ever sent someone money on Vips and then immediately regretted it? Maybe you accidentally paid the wrong person, or perhaps you're just done using the app altogether. Fear not, fellow Norwegians. Today's video tackles a burning question: can you actually cancel Vips? Understanding Vips, more than just money transfers. Before we dive into cancellation specifics, let's take a quick step back. Vips is more than just a money transfer app. It's a digital wallet powerhouse, letting you pay bills, split restaurant tabs with friends, and even purchase public transport tickets. Pretty nifty, right? But with all that functionality comes the occasional need to hit the brakes. So, let's explore your options when it comes to Vips and hitting the cancel button. Canceling payments. Time is of the essence. Here's the key takeaway. Canceling a Vips payment isn't always an option, but there's a crucial window where you might be able to pull it off. Vips gives you 180 days to cancel a payment request after it's initiated. That's a generous window compared to some other payment services. However, there's a catch. The payment needs to be in a specific state, uncaptured. This basically means the recipient hasn't accepted the money yet. If they've already claimed it, then canceling is unfortunately out of the picture. How to cancel a Vips payment if you're still in the window? So, you acted quickly and the payment is uncaptured. Here's how to cancel it within the Vips app. Open the Vips app and log in. Navigate to your activities section. This will show you all your recent transactions. Find the payment you want to cancel and tap on it. Look for a button labeled Cancel or Avbryt, Norwegian for cancel. Confirm the cancellation if prompted. If everything goes smoothly, the payment should be canceled, and you will receive a confirmation message. Beyond canceling payments, deactivating your Vips account. Maybe canceling a single payment isn't enough. Perhaps you're ready to say goodbye to Vips altogether. While there isn't a direct cancel account option within the app, you can effectively deactivate your account by taking these steps. Unlink your bank account. This severs the connection between Vips and your source of funds. Remove Vips as a payment method from any online stores or services where you've saved it. Contact Vips customer support. They can help you finalize the deactivation process and ensure no residual activity remains on your account. Important note, remember, deactivating your account won't delete your transaction history. If you need that information wiped clean, you'll need to contact Vips customer support directly. Recurring payments, a different ball game. Let's say you've signed up for a subscription service through Vips and now want to cancel those recurring payments. Here's the thing, Vips itself doesn't manage those recurring agreements. They're handled directly by the merchant you signed up with. So, to cancel recurring payments, you'll need to log into the merchant's platform or app and find their cancellation process. Vips simply facilitates the transaction, but the control lies with the merchant. The takeaway: be mindful and act quickly. While canceling Vips payments isn't always an option, at least you have a fighting chance within that 180-day window for uncaptured payments. Just remember to be quick and act before the recipient claims the money. For deactivating your account, follow the steps outlined earlier. And lastly, remember that recurring payments are a different story. You'll need to deal directly with the merchant to cancel those. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.